Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wa salatu wa salamu ala Rasulillah. Understand Quran and Salat the easy way 3-minute series, lesson number 23b, in which we will study fi'l madi or perfect tense. By the end of this lesson, we will learn 98 words which occur almost 27,900 times in the Quran. Make sure to use TPI. Fi'l is verb. In Arabic language, most of the verbs are derived from 3 root letters, like fa'ala, fataha, nasara, daraba. And there are 3 kinds of verbs: madi, mudari' and amr, perfect tense, imperfect tense and imperative. Let's learn perfect tense using 3 root letters fa'ala. Let us use the TPI of huwa, hum, anta, antum, ana, nahnu, the same actions. So can you repeat after me? Fa'ala, he did. Fa'ala, he did. Fa'alu, they did. Fa'alu, they did. Fa'alta, you did. Fa'alta, you did. Fa'altu, I did.
Fa'altu, I did.
Fa'altum, you all did.
Fa'altum, you all did.
Fa'alna, we did.
Fa'alna, we did.
Can you translate after me? Fa'ala,
He did.
Fa'alu,
They did.
Fa'alta,
You did.
Fa'altu, I did. Fa'altum,
You all did.
Fa'alna,
We
we
did.
did. Once again, Fa'ala,
He did.
Fa'alu, they
They
did.
did.
Fa'alta,
You did.
Fa'altu,
I did.
Fa'altum, you
You
all
all
did.
did.
Fa'alna,
We did.
Can you repeat after me in Arabic only? Fa'ala, fa'alu,
Fa'ala, fa'alu.
Fa'alta, fa'altu,
Fa'alta, fa'altu.
Fa'altum, fa'alna,
Fa'altum, fa'alna.
MashaAllah. Notice that in Madi, endings of the verbs change. For example, a, u, ta, tu, tum, na. Okay, endings are changing here. Just notice that. Now let us take spoken Arabic. All of us have done something good, for example, by learning the Quran. So, answer me in yes. Hal fa'ala, which means did he do? You will say na'am fa'ala. So, answer me in Arabic. Hal fa'ala? Na'am fa'ala. هل فعلوا؟
نعم فعلوا.
هل فعلت؟
نعم فعلت.
So ta will become tu. Did you do? I said yes, I did. هل فعلتم؟
نعم فعلنا.
ما شاء الله. Once again, هل فعل؟
نعم فعل.
هل فعلوا؟
نعم فعلوا.
There is no change here, but ta will become tu as in the coming sentences. هل فعلت؟
نعم فعلت.
هل فعلتم؟
نعم فعلنا.
ما شاء الله. That's it for now. جزاكم الله خير. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.